working linear inequalities. So we're finding their solution set. All right, let's say we're given 2x is greater than or equal to 8. We want to find that solution set. So what we're going to need to do is solve for x. We need to get a 1 in front of the coefficient of x. And we do that by multiplying both sides by a half. Alright, multiplying both sides by a half, so now we're left with a half times 2 is 1, which remember we don't write that coefficient, and 8 times a half is 4. Okay, so we can draw a number line, kind of get a picture of this. We'll say 4 is on the number line right here, and we'll use, I don't know, let's use green. So because we include 4, we're going to put a solid dot here, and it's everything to the greater than 4. In other words, you take any number that's greater than or equal to 4. Take, for example, 10, and you can see that 10 is greater than or equal to 4, and that makes that a true statement. All right? And remember also that we can write this in what's called interval notation. And as you can see here, we use a bracket because we include 4. And it's any number to the right of 4. That's going out towards infinity. Alright, let's take a look at another problem. Testing. Oh, just making sure my microphone's still on, because this is take 2 of this video and it's nerve-wracking. All of a sudden the microphone quits working on me. Alright, negative 2 times x is greater than or equal to 8. So this is where things change. When we were comparing inequalities, solving linear inequalities compared to solving linear equations. Right. Okay, what we're going to do here is we multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 2. So we have negative 2x. We're going to put a parentheses around that so we don't get this negative confused here. And multiplying both sides by negative 2. Now when we do this, okay, we must flip this inequality. Alright, we got to flip it. I didn't say flip out, I just said flip it. Whoops, let's use black. Alright, so we flip it. Okay, so there's our difference. And we have a negative half times negative 2, so that gives us 1, but I'm not going to write that. Just write x there instead of 1 times x is less than or equal to 8. No. I think I wrote that in too fast. No, it's 8 times negative a half, which gives us a negative 4. A negative 4. Right? So we can do something here. We can draw a number line. Right, label negative 4 here on the number line. Let's move the screen down a little bit. And I was using green, and the inequality includes negative 4, so it's negative 4 and everything to the left of it. Okay, everything to the left of it. And remember, we can also I guess the best way to see this is write it right under the number line. Okay, so that's interval notation. You see, we include negative 4, right, going to actually negative infinity. I should say not infinity, but negative infinity. So this means that any number you pick to the left of -4, when we plug it back into the original that we started with, so for example, -2, if we pick some number like -100 is greater than or equal to 8, that should be a true statement. Okay, any number to the left of -4, right, including 4, will make this a true statement. All right, and as you can see, -2 times -100 is 200, and 200 is greater than 8. Okay. All right, moving right along. I'll see you in the next video.